In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple budget tracker in Google Sheets. Start by opening Google Sheets and creating a new blank spreadsheet. This gives you a clean canvas to organize your budget. At the very top, in the first row, we'll set up the structure that will make everything else work smoothly. Click into cell A1 and type Category. In B1, type Planned Amount. In C1, type Actual Amount. And in D1, type Difference. These four headers will help you compare what you intend to spend with what you actually spend and instantly see the gap between them. If you like, you can make the headers bold so they stand out, but that's optional. Next, under the Category column, list your spending categories, one per row. Common examples include rent, groceries, utilities, transportation, subscriptions, and dining out. Add any categories that match your life and leave out what you don't use. The idea is to have a clear, simple list you can maintain over time. Now move to the Planned Amount column. For each category, enter the amount you plan to spend for your chosen period, like a month. This is your budget target. If you prefer, you can format this column as currency, so the numbers are easier to read. Keeping these planned amounts realistic will make the tracker more useful. As you go about your month, record what you actually spend in the Actual Amount column. You can update this daily, weekly, or whenever purchases happen. The more promptly you enter amounts, the more accurate your picture will be. Don't worry about getting it perfect right away, just keep it consistent. To see how you're doing, calculate the gap between planned and actual in the Difference column. Click into the first difference cell that lines up with your first category, typically D2, and enter the formula XB2, C2. This subtracts your actual spending from your planned budget. Press Enter, and you'll see the result. A positive number means you're under budget for that category. A negative number means you've overspent. Once that first formula works, copy it down the rest of the difference column to cover all your categories. As you update the actual amounts, these differences will update automatically. That's it. With these columns in place, you now have a simple, reliable budget tracker that shows planned versus actual spending and makes it easy to spot where you're doing well and where you may need to adjust. Keep it updated, review your differences regularly, and let the sheet guide your budgeting decisions.